Welcome to One Woman Carries the Word, a hymn to the silent dawn. Walker, who weave two universe from a single heartbeat. Today, we honor the professor whose lecture hall become a stage of inspiration by daylight, whose home becomes a cradle of dream by starlight. She greets the dawn like a whispered promise, soft footstep on a cool tiles, fingertips brushing, dew-kissed curtains in her palms. She holds the sunlight and the weight of her children's hopes, spoon-feeding golden cereal, pressing uniform with a gentle care, placing tender kisses where tiny brows crease. Yet as she steps into the corridor of academia, she dons a second skin, brilliant, assured, radiant, though her heart still hums lullabies from last night's vigil. In lecture hall, her voice bloomed like honeyed light, each word a seed planted in young minds. She unravels complex formula with the grace of poetry, conjuring curiosity as if painting constellations in their eyes. Applause ripples through the room. Never mind that her own soul trembles from midnight readings and secret tears shed over grading essays by lamplight. Noon's golden hour sent a gentle chime to her pocket, a child drawing, longing for her gaze. She pauses, breath catching, and smiles with the warmth of a thousand suns before holding that love back into her next slide. In boardroom, she steers project to shore, her calm resolve guiding wave of doubt away. Cliques hail her brilliance, unaware that behind every eclat lies the hush of quiet sacrifice. When twilight drapes the sky, she trades chalk for spatula, heels for slipper, and returns to her second century, the heart for her home. In the kitchen's glow, she stirs fragrant curries, spices, dancing like memories, calls her children to the table, nourish both body and soul. She tucks them in beneath moonlight whispers, planting dream in their sleep with the story spun from starlight thread. Only when the word drift into slumber does she reclaim her own quiet moment, laying out tomorrow's lesson beside tomorrow's uniform, fingers lingering on the page as if tracing hope itself. She sighs, a soft exhale of love unbound, then closes her eyes, knowing sleep may elude her, but her spirit forever soar. This is a poem in motion, folding my tiny socks and my kid's tiny sock, lacing up courage, guiding formula and the future alike. It is the silent symphony of a professor and a mother's life. Everywhere major step is both an equation solved and a lullaby sung. If her story stirs your soul, watch, like, and share. Tell us below who the everyday goddess are that carry your word one heartbeat at a time. If you feel the story touch your heart, do not forget to subscribe the channel for more lyrical tales and resonant voice each week, because every woman's journey is poetry in motion, and every woman deserves applause. I hope you like it. Thank you.